Hello, dear students. Today we will talk about prepositional phrases. By the end of this lesson, you will learn what a preposition is and what a prepositional phrase is.
Okay, let's learn
Let's watch
about
the video and
prepositions.
then we'll start the lesson.
After memorizing the most commonly used prepositions, then you can begin looking for the object that follows. This is always a noun or a pronoun. The group of words will create a prepositional phrase. A great way to find the object is to say the preposition aloud and ask who or what. Here's an example. The boys raised money for the charity. I recognize for as the preposition, so I ask, for what? For the charity. Charity is the object of the preposition. Any words that fall between the preposition and its object are called adjectives. They modify or describe the object. So let's look at another example. The lamp on the living room table fell over. I recognize on as a preposition, so I ask on what? On the living room table. Table is the object of the preposition on. The words the and living room are adjectives describing table. Sometimes objects of prepositions can be compound, which means you can have two nouns or pronouns joined by a conjunction. Here's an example. I will give the tickets to Jack and Lewis. To is my preposition. To whom? The answer is Jack and Lewis. Be on the lookout for a word that might look like a preposition but isn't. It is the word to followed by a verb. For example, I am ready to play the game. To, in this case, appears to be a preposition, but there is not a noun or pronoun after it. Instead, there's the verb play. So to and play together form an infinitive.
What are prepositions? Prepositions are words that link nouns, pronouns, and phrases to other words in a sentence. Prepositions tell you where, when, and how something happens. Some of the most common prepositions are on, at, in, for, from, of, off, under, next to, across, above, below, between, in front of, beside, near, after, before, down, and during. This is a picture to help you remember some of the most common prepositions in the English language. What is a prepositional phrase? Prepositional phrase is a group of words that begin with a preposition and end with a noun or pronoun. So in short, a prepositional phrase is the preposition plus the object. For example, every day I take the bus to school. To is the preposition, school is the object. To school is the prepositional phrase. He ran across the field to talk to me. Across the field, across preposition. The field is the object. So across the field is a prepositional phrase. The bird is flying above the tree. Where's the preposition above? Where is the object? The tree. So above the tree is the prepositional phrase. He threw the ball under the dining table, under the big dining table. Under is the preposition. The big dining table, these are all the object of the sentence. So under the big dining table is the prepositional phrase. I sat next to my friend during the English exam. Here we have two prepositional phrases. Where are they? Next to the first preposition, my friend is its object. So next to my friend, this is prepositional phrase number one. During, this is a second preposition. The English exam is its object. So during the English exam is the second prepositional phrase. please pay attention to these points. The preposition is part of the prepositional phrase. So the prepositional phrase includes the preposition. Any words that might come between the preposition and its object are also part of the prepositional phrase. So, for example, he put soap on the dirty tablecloth. On is the preposition, cloth is the object of the sentence, dirty, table are adjectives. Okay, so here the words that came between the preposition and its object are also part of the prepositional phrase. Preposition plus verb equals infinitive. So if I have a preposition and then a verb, this is not a prepositional phrase, it's an infinitive. For example, if I say, I always try to help people, to help is a preposition plus verb. Preposition to, verb help. So this is not a prepositional phrase. This is an infinitive.